Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to make a GIF for a LinkedIn post. Let's go. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to easygif.com. We're going to get a video. I'm going to drag a video into here. So this is a Breaking Bad video I need for a LinkedIn post. You're probably wondering why I'm using a Breaking Bad video. Okay, next you're going to make sure you have video to GIF selected. So I have it selected here. And I already know the time seconds that I want the GIF to be for. So we're going to go 67 seconds to 70 seconds to make it like a 3 second GIF. Convert to GIF. And then here you go. So you can crop, you can do anything else you want to it. So I'm going to save this right now. So now what we're going to do is we're going to open LinkedIn. And we're going to go start a post. And then we're going to click media. Drag our GIF. And there you go. I'm not going to publish this one because I already have one posted already. I'm going to show you here. So I already had this one posted here, which is basically talking about mezcal versus tequila and how these two started the tequila brand. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.